Welcome to Shanti Sarovar for today's Sunday evening talk. So today's topic is success through silence. We have Sister Krina with us. She has come from Mumbai. So I would like to welcome her.
Thank you.
So again, I'll give a brief introduction. So Sister Krina has 35 years of experience as a trainer. She has conducted many programs on various topics such as self management, leadership, stress free living, feeling great, and Rajoga meditation. She is specialized in conducting many different workshops, seminars, conferences, and retreats. And she is an active member of, as I already told you about different wings. So she gives her services in rural and agricultural development wing, security services wing, and IT wing. Okay, and she has served internationally as part of different projects. So we have Sister with us, and I hope you enjoy this session, take the full benefit. So thank you, everyone, and over to you, Sister.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sister. A very, very good evening to all of you all. Hindi या English? English, please raise your hands. Hindi, please raise your hands. Yeah, so English. Okay. So you'll have removed Sunday evening of yours. Wow. Sunday evening normally is to take your children out to go for an outing or a dinner or a garden or some other place just for relaxation, for enjoyment. Sunday evening. संडे इवनिंग कितना ट्रैफिक होता है मुंबई में. Sunday is a holiday, so morning and afternoon no traffic. But evening, terrible traffic. Why? Because nobody wants to stay at home. They all want to go out. All restaurants are full or hotels are full on Sundays. And you all have come with a different purpose. Feeling very nice about it, and I wish you all the best that you should and you will achieve what you're seeking for. आपको ज़रूर वो मिलना है जिसके लिए आप आए हो. कोई ना कोई रीति से ऐसी शुभ आशा है. आज का जो सब्जेक्ट है वो है सक्सेस थ्रू साइलेंस. देयर इज़ अ very old saying, words are silver, silence is, yes, words are silver, silence is golden. Who must have made this saying? Do we really believe in it? We love talking, don't we? Don't we love talking? All those who like talking, please raise your hands. Bas. Others, silent ones. Those who are quite silent, raise your hands. Again, half. Okay. So then the saying must be right. That words are silver and silence is golden. Since about 200 years, we have seen the wonders of science. विज्ञान के क्षेत्र के जो वंडर्स है वो हमने 200 साल से करीब देखे, है ना. हमारे जो वैज्ञानिक है, और हमारे उस समय हमारे वैज्ञानिकों का नाम था लेकिन नाम बाहर नहीं आता था. ज़्यादातर बातें यही होती थी कि अरे ये बाहर से आया है, ये भी बाहर से आया है, ये भी बाहर से आया है. तो इन्वेंशन की सारी क्रेडिट जो है ना वो वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड को जाती थी उस समय. और ये जो सारे वंडर आए हैं इनकी भी मेथड क्या है? अगर आप में से कोई साइंटिस्ट हो या पार्ट और नियर टू साइंटिस्ट या कुछ भी पढ़ा हो साइंटिस्ट के बारे में, तो इतनी बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें जैसे एटम बॉम्ब, न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब या कोई भी अपनी जो सुविधाएं हैं जैसे फ्रिज है या एसी है या जो भी है, साइंस ने जो भी हमको दिया है, उसकी इन्वेंशन में कौन सा पावर काम करता था? साइंटिस्ट के बारे में बहुत मशहूर होता था ये कि उनको खाने पीने की भी कोई इच्छा नहीं होती थी, माने याद ही नहीं आता था, अपने संशोधन में लगे रहते थे। वो भी उनका जो कमरा है वो कहीं अंडरग्राउंड होगा या समझो कि ऐसे होगा जहां कोई नहीं आता होगा। अच्छा, ओके। So they will be in absolute solitude even when they have to do research. For example, Thomas Edison made a bulb after 2000 experiments. Do we have that patience to do all those 2000 experiments, that also not with anybody else, himself? And then 2000 first experiment invented a bulb. So what was the power within? First is knowledge. But the other underlying power which was very, very much important was silence. He will not give time to anybody. He will not remember his food, drink, nothing. He'll be so immersed in his research. So even in science, silence is always a tool. Always. So today's world, we see that everything has been done for easy communication. Nahi? I mean, communication is a must. Communication is considered to be the greatest skill. If you don't know how to communicate, then you spoil relationships. And the methods that science has given us for communication, technology has given us for communication, they are so speedy. In seconds, you can give your voice message anywhere, wherever you want to send it. So we see that even if we want to talk, now the methods are very fast, very speedy. You don't need, sometimes they say that don't write beyond so many words. Just limit your message to only this many words. So they are teaching you also that even if you want to talk at a length, turn it into so many words only. In school, we used to learn that. Comprehension. You have to shorten it. No, what was that called? In school, it was called, means you have to make the whole big paragraph into a very essential small sentences instead of that full paragraph. So even things were taught to come to an essence form. But in life, you see today, are we able to come to the essence form, or we are increasing the length of our expressions? What is happening? We are increasing the length of our expressions. Even if you get 5 minutes free, what you will do? Immediately call. That 5 minutes also, you will not know what to do alone. Immediately you want to call somebody. Am I right? Or you immediately start playing a game. even if you go in a train or somewhere like in Mumbai city and all, nobody's alone. And nobody likes to be alone also. Either they will go to sleep or chatting will begin or bhajan singing will begin. It's like that. Here in Brahma Kumaris, we learnt more about the power of silence. But I was thinking that before 2500 years, that span of time, all our scientists, you know who they were? Our Rishi Munis. Our Bharat scientists were Rishi Munis. And where were they staying? Where were they staying? Isolated places like Himalayas, jungles, caves. And recently it has come out that all the inventions talked by or said about the Westerners was actually found by Bharat scientists much earlier. But our Bharat scientists never went for name and fame. It was like an achievement through meditation, it was an achievement through silence, you know. And then others took advantage of that or disadvantage. Like some people who came to rule, they destroyed all our knowledge. Whatever they had invented, they just burnt all those books. Why? So that we don't come in front. See, our scientists, our Rishi Munis could have brought up their concepts so early that we would have become a number one power that time only. But they didn't believe in that. Our values were only different. In simplicity, we were wanting to live happily. You understand? In simplicity, we wanted to live happily. Otherwise, we had so many geniuses in Bharat. And it's not that the geniuses didn't want to serve the society. They also wanted to serve the society. But then you know by history what happened. Religion came up slowly. And in the name of religion, then science took a step back, and then our all tools were taken by the Westerners and then put more effort in that and then gave their name. And then in just 150 years, they tried to show we can do for your country so much. It is all from our inventions. Yet, Bharat will not fight for that. Bharat will very silently do what it is doing. Yes, there are people who give us information. All this was done by our scientists, our Rishi Munis earlier. Everything has been discovered majority by Bharat, not by the Westerners first. But they have labeled it and they have given to the world. Power of silence doesn't drive you towards just name and fame. Power of silence says that go for development, but also be rooted in your culture, in your sanskars. It's very important. And every country has its own heritage, no? Own culture. What does our Bharat stand for? What does our country stand for? Do we know? As an Indian, everybody should be knowing what our country stands for. Unity in diversity. Secularism. Ji, culture. Family. Multi-language. Peace. Tradition. Yoga. Yoga. Rights. Acha. Value system. And yoga, value system, culture, unity in diversity, everything should be hand in hand, no? Not in different directions. Everything has to be in hand, isn't it? If it is not in hand, then we are confused as an Indian. Then we get influenced by outside world. And that is why the Britishers also planned in that way. That make them feel that what education we give is higher than what they are giving here. Let them feel that, see, our infrastructure, our technology, our everything is so much higher than what you have materially. How much time it took for us to really let go of our culture and get attracted towards what they were giving. Even in the villages also. In villages also they used to come and show a better cloth than what we were wearing. You must have seen that old films of Bharat, no? Very simple clothes. Dhoti, pajama, kurta, very simple clothes. And then they came and showed very nice, attractive things. So we got influenced. Oh, this is better, this is better. So what happened is our eyes, instead of being rooted in our own culture, in our own tradition, in our own unity, in our own systems like yoga, pranayam, meditation, we started looking outside. Today you tell me, in the whole day, how much percentage you look outside and how much percentage you try to look within? How much is the use of your eyes? Brother, come on, tell me. How much do we use our eyes? 100%. Only when you sleep, then you look through another eye. Some inner eye. In form of dreams and all that. But you go on seeing. Now, as much you go on seeing outside, what will happen? Will your words decrease or increase? Increase. And as much you are under the influence of your eyes, you will find talking is most important. Who will not say today in this hall, talking is important? Everybody will say. Everybody will say. Only when we are sad, when we don't want to be with anybody, we want to be alone, we lock our room and sit. But in good mood, we never do that. We always want to be with somebody, we want to talk, we want to share. It's okay. You want to experience, fine. But you are more towards outside, external. So then how much will you really understand the power of silence? Will you really think it is necessary? Only when something extreme happens, then Even a person is a millionaire, he will say, I don't want anything but peace. When there is complete chaos in his life, then he'll say that I don't want anything. I just want peace. Where are those multi-millions? Where is the family belonging? Where is the treasures that he has, the assets that he has, the business groups that he has? Nothing in front of that peace. But it only happens in very chaotic conditions, not on a regular basis. Now people, the sicknesses are increasing. बीमारियां बहुत बढ़ती जा रही है. So what are we giving attention to? Hello? What are we giving attention to? For what are we giving attention? How are we doing that? Yoga, walking, exercising, going to the gym, diet. है ना? So now everybody is becoming more and more aware of that. That, I'm heading towards a wrong direction. I should take care of myself. I should walk. I should exercise. I should consult somebody for my diet. And I should be healthy. Isn't it? You will take precautions. So we have that awareness. But do we have awareness of what is happening in our minds? I'm talking about awareness. You must have experienced many different things happening in your mind. Sometimes you're feeling jealous. Sometimes you're feeling angry. Sometimes you're not able to concentrate on your work. Sometimes you feel very unfriendly. Sometimes your mood is completely off. So many things happen. है ना? That is why in scriptures it was mentioned. मन तो पागल घोड़ा है, मन तो बंदर के समान चंचल है, उछलता रहता है. Scriptures. When were they written? But today exactly we are able to experience that, na? That the mind is running in different directions, and that is why we don't have a sense of happiness or contentment. Suppose you are earning as much as your family requires. You're well to do, you're living nice. Yet, what will you think? No, I want to earn more. I want to earn more. You say because you will give the reason, because the society is demanding. Because the society is demanding. So I have to do. Everything is becoming very expensive. So I have to. But there were people who were thinking in the same way some time back. Without these situations also. Okay, I'm not satisfied with my 1 lakh. I want to see that it becomes 10 lakhs. Even in terms of children, not satisfied with 1 or 2. I want 12. I want 10. I mean, people used to think like that. And as much they continued to have great demands, do you think your mind will be able to handle all this peacefully? No. And if you want to, then you have to do something, no? To be peaceful in midst of all that. What must have been the state of mind for the airplane crash people? उनका मन की स्थिति क्या हुई होगी? Naturally, na, we will all have only one opinion. They must have had so much fear, no? Their mind must have gone boggling. The thought that we are going to die. Do you think anybody in that flight must have been calm and peaceful? That is the general view. But no. At least 1% of them were there on the flight were very calm even in that moment. So there is a possibility that we can remain calm even in midst of chaos. It's a training to the mind. And in that, your power of silence enhances. When you train your mind for the right type of thinking, for the right attitude, for the right feelings, for the right emotions, irrespective of situations, that can only be done with the help of power of silence. So how much importance do we have for this, which is very internal? Nothing is external. It's our response to the external situations or our reactions. Do you agree the importance of a situation is in what response we give to the situation? Do you agree? Or you feel कि no, situation itself has come to challenge me? आजकल जितनी परिस्थिति है, कौन कहते हैं कि मैं उन परिस्थितियों के बोझ के तले हूं? I am under the burden of those situations. Please raise your hands. Whether it is national, whether it is societal, whether it is mental, emotional, please raise your hands. Those two things, we are burdened under those situations. बस इतने ही है. और सब क्या सोचते? They don't care. I will think only about myself. ऐसे तो नहीं है. I don't care what the society is doing. Who cares? मेरे को मिल रहा है ना 2 बार का खाना पीना, बस है, मेरे को इधर उधर देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं. दे आर नॉट कंसर्न्ड अबाउट their surroundings at all. Like for example, we talk about cleanliness. Till today, there are how many who just eat and throw? Everybody has become aware of cleanliness. But how many still? They eat, throw. After knowing also. Same way, if you will not think whether situations are burdening you or you are giving response to every situation, how will you progress? You have to realize. And it is not you alone. Even if you are happy, contented, and you have lot of money which you have earned, the whole majority counts. A country's development or a world's development doesn't depend upon only one country or something. It has to come from everywhere. So those who are not feeling burdened by the situations, please tell me, what is your thought? Nahin to you have to agree that you are burdened with the situations if you don't have any other thought. So what power of silence helps in is to come out of this burden. So it is called, you have to learn to be a detached observer to the situations that are coming. Instead of seeing a situation and diving into it. Normally what happens? A situation comes and we just dive into it. Oh God, why me? Oh God, how will I do now? What will I do now? Why has this come to me? This is diving into the problem. Instead of diving, the power of silence tells you, first, just be an observer. Try to feel the situation. Try to understand the situation. and you will come to know slowly why this situation has come to you. And if you don't understand why the situation has come to you, yet you will be still calm. It's not that you don't want to face the situation, but you want to enhance your skill, you want to enhance your knowledge, you want to enhance your awareness, you want to enhance your resources so that you can handle the situation. Nothing is an end, no? कोई चीज एंड है? टर्निंग होता है ना, टर्निंग होता है. If one situation comes, it's only going to give you a turn in your life. But nothing is a dead end. So what power of silence helps you is to really watch. Watch what? W. Watch your words. A. Watch your attitude, actions. T. Watch your thoughts. And CH. Watch your character. Because whatever is your character is your resource, which you can use in responding to the situation. So if you are a watchman of your life, where you are watching your thoughts, you're watching your words, you're watching your... Do we watch? After saying only we realize, अरे ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. After doing only we realize, my God, so many people told me, yet I didn't listen to anybody. I just went on doing. So many people's attitude have made them alone, secluded them from their family. Why this is happening? Because we are not the watchmen of our lives. Power of silence tells you become a watchman. Because you are most important. Everything is around you. Like everything is around the sun. Geographically. सूरज बीच में है, बाकी सब उसके इर्द गिर्द है. ऐसे आप भी बीच में हो, बाकी सब आपके इर्द गिर्द है. तो अगर आप अपने ही वर्ड्स, अपने ही एक्शन, अपने ही थॉट्स, अपने ही एटीट्यूड्स कहो, कैरेक्टर कहो, नहीं महसूस कर सकते, नहीं, खाली काम करते रहते हो, कभी रिजल्ट लाते हो, कभी रिजल्ट कम आता है, कभी नहीं आता है. पर जब आप काम करते हो ना, तभी आपको लगता है हाँ मैं कुछ कर रहा हूं. अगर थोड़े समय के लिए भी जॉब नहीं हो तो माय गॉड, सीधा डिप्रेशन. कोई बोल रहा था ऐसे कि सिस्टर मेरे साथ क्या होता है मालूम है कि मैं अकेले से बहुत डर लगता है मेरे को, अकेलेपन से. इसलिए ना मैं कोई ना कोई काम ढूंढती रहती हूँ, उसमें भी बहुत ज्यादा काम कर लेती हूँ, तो मुझे हेल्दी फील होता है. और अगर काम नहीं मिला तो गई काम से, फिर वो भय शुरू हो जाता है अकेलेपन का. ऐसे फियर्स है आपके अंदर, है ना. हम पूरा सोसाइटी क्या बना दिया हमने, फियर वाला. किसने बनाया? सोसाइटी ने हमको बनाया, हमने सोसाइटी को फियरफुल बना दिया. आपके थॉट्स, आपके एटीट्यूड, आपके वर्ड्स, आपका कैरेक्टर किसने बनाया? हाँ, ऐसा फील होता है, रियलाइज होता है. फिर आज से किसी पे गुस्सा नहीं करना, आज किसी से आर्ग्यूमेंट नहीं करना आज के बाद. हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप में अपनी तरफ से कंट्रीब्यूशन देना. If you really feel you're personally responsible for your every thought, word, action, character. वो व्यक्ति जो दूसरों को ब्लेम करता है वो कभी साइलेंस एंजॉय कर ही नहीं सकता. और आज तक हमने बस ब्लेमिंग गेम तो बड़ी खेली है. छोटे बच्चे को ट्रेनिंग ही वैसे मिलती है, गिर गया, अरे रे रे ये तो धरती का फॉल्ट है, धरती का फॉल्ट है, देखो मैं मार रही हूं, तुम चुप हो जा। पहले से ही बच्चे के मन में और ही किसी को ब्लेम कर दिया। अब वो बड़ा होके क्या करेगा, सबको ब्लेम ही करता रहेगा ना, कभी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेगा खुद का। तो पावर ऑफ साइलेंस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल ट्रेनिंग। इसमें भी दो प्रकार का होता है ना, एक होता है मुख का मौन। कोई लोगों का पर्सनल नेचर ही ऐसा होता है, वो ज्यादा बोलते ही नहीं है, अंदर का पता नहीं, पर ज्यादा बोलते नहीं है। और दूसरे हैं, देखो फिर पॉइंट किया साइलेंस नहीं मजा आएगी फिर, है ना। तो क्या होता है कि कोई को मुख का मौन रखने के लिए भी बहुत डिफिकल्टी होती है। भाई 1 घंटे के लिए ना, अभी भी सब शांत रहो 1 घंटे के लिए। आपको लगता है आप शांत रहते होंगे 1 घंटे के लिए? जरूरी है क्या? आपके मन पे मेरा कंट्रोल है क्या? आपका मन तो अमेरिका चला गया होगा यहीं बैठ के, और मन तो पता नहीं किसका फेस देख रहा होगा और ब्लेम करता होगा। कितना भी सिस्टर बोल रही है लेकिन ये तो ऐसा ही है, ये इसको तो ब्लेम करना ही पड़ेगा। तो एक है कि 1 घंटा भी मुश्किल से मुख का मौन, और एक होता है मन का मौन। हम लोग ने एक बार ट्राई किया था हैदराबाद में, जब मैं यहाँ रहती थी नागार्जुना में, तो हम 3-4 बहनें रहती थी। हम लोग ने सोचा कि चलो हम 15 दिन मौन में रहते हैं। हाँ, जब क्लास कराना है तो बोलने का, भगवान के महावाक्य है, बोलना है, फिर बाद में साइलेंस। और कुछ जो भाई बहन आते हैं उनको हमने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी थी कि भाई कोई नया आए तो आप परिचय देना, आप ये करना, उनका देखना। तो हम सब मौन में रहे 15 दिन, और हमने एट द एंड ऑफ 15 डेज देखा कि हम लोग इतने क्रिएटिव हो गए थे मौन में। हर एक जन के फेस पर एक ग्लो और खुशी, कोई को भी सप्रेशन नहीं फील हुआ, कोई को भी सफोकेशन नहीं फील हुआ। सो इट वॉज अ वेरी नाइस अटेम्प्ट। कभी कभार ऐसा अभ्यास करना चाहिए। समझो आधा घंटा भी आप बिल्कुल साइलेंस में रहो, पर ये माइंड को पहले बोलना चाहिए ना। माइंड ही एक्सेप्ट करने को तैयार नहीं है, फिर कहेंगे बच्चे हैं साइलेंस में नहीं रह पाते। आप एक्सक्यूजेस निकालेंगे तो आप मुख का मौन भी नहीं रख पाएंगे। और हर धर्म मौन में मानता है कि नहीं? अपने हर धर्म के बड़ों ने बहुत साइलेंस दिखाई है। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो कुछ काम ही नहीं करते साइलेंस में। हम लोग को तो भाई जॉब करना पड़ता है, कितना काम करना पड़ता है, वो लोग तो बैठे रहते हैं साइलेंस में। नहीं, साइलेंस में बहुत बड़ा काम होता है, पता है आपको? साइलेंस में आपकी 3 शक्तियां काम करने लगती है, जो शायद बोलते समय, एक्शन में रहते समय शायद नहीं भी यूज हो पाए। सबसे पहली बात, आपकी थॉट्स। दूसरी बात है मतलब संकल्प शक्ति, वो काम करती है साइलेंस में। दूसरे, ये आंखें भी काम करती है साइलेंस में। अच्छा भी कर सकती है, बुरा भी कर सकती है, लेकिन साइलेंस में आंखों द्वारा भी आप बहुत अच्छाई का दान दे सकते हैं, और दैट इज योर परसेप्शन। पावर ऑफ साइलेंस में एक तो आपकी संकल्प की शक्ति पावरफुल बन सकती है। आप जो सोचोगे ना वो होगा। दूसरा, आपके नैनों से एवरीबडी कैन गेट गुड वाइब्रेशन, एनर्जी। You give energy through your vision. And third is, आपके अंदर एक एटीट्यूड निर्माण होता है जिसको कहा जाता है शुभ भावना, शुभ कामना, गुड विशेस, गुड फीलिंग्स. फिर कोई भी आवे आपके सामने, आप इनको भी गुड फीलिंग्स और गुड विशेस देंगे. यू कैन यूज योर मेंटल एबिलिटीज in power of silence, which you cannot maybe when you are working, when you are striving. You don't pay attention to that. सारा चीज़ों पे चला जाता है ना, मैकेनिक्स पे चला जाता है सारा ध्यान. इसीलिए पावर ऑफ साइलेंस की प्रैक्टिस थोड़े समय के लिए करना बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो एक है मुख का मौन, एक है मन का मौन, है ना. Silence is not absence of words. When you will practice silence, slowly through the practice of your silence, your words will have the vibration of silence. When you will speak, people will feel that this person doesn't have any confusion in his mind. This person is simple in his mind and is very clear. So all this result comes through power of silence. Why nowadays certain couples, they get married, but in just 1 month or 1 year they get separated? Why? When you can't properly understand anybody, when you cannot understand or properly understand somebody. Okay, but when your listening is less, then there is misunderstanding, there is wrong communication. So what is necessary at that time, again from power of silence, is listening. If you will listen properly attentively, living in that present moment, without any conceptions in your mind about that person, listen. So we are going to get clear from that, with power of silence. See, power of silence is nothing but cleaning your inner self. Outside you may be very well suited booted, going to the 5-star hotel, but your inner is not clean at all. So what they do, they always remain occupied so that they can ignore themselves. We don't like to only come to ourselves. So much dirty, no? So we spend our time outside only. मन ही नहीं होता कि मैं अपने आप में भी आऊं. एक अच्छी फीलिंग तो आनी चाहिए आने के लिए. वो अच्छी फीलिंग ही नहीं है. अब आप समझो, गुस्सा करते रहेंगे, आप सैड होते रहेंगे, आप अपसेट होते रहेंगे, आप क्रिटिसाइज करते रहेंगे, आप कंपटीशन में रहते रहेंगे, आप व्हाटएवर माना कंप्लेन करते रहेंगे, सारा टाइम आप इसी में बिजी रहते हो, तो फिर कैसे होगा ये? तो पावर ऑफ साइलेंस helps you to develop better tools. Instead of draining your energies by doing all this, you come back to yourself. You don't like because you're doing all this activity, ना? ऐसा करोगे आप पे ही आपको अपने लिए अच्छी फीलिंग नहीं रहेगी, पर दूसरों के सामने एकदम ईगो काम करेगा. When you're alone ना, either you'll start smoking, drinking, going to wrong places because you want to ignore yourself. Understand yourself properly. Why silence is golden? Because others cannot control me, I have to create the power of control for myself. Others cannot rule over me, I have to create the power to rule over myself. When that will happen, it will become easier to manage the external relationships, your external roles, your external duty, work, etc. So, where is power of silence useful? Where is it useful? See, on the road many time or some institution we read the board, maintain silence. Do we do? If nobody is saying, we start talking only. कितनी जगह मेंटेन साइलेंस लिखा होता है, कर ही नहीं पाते और वही बच्चों को भी सिखाते हैं. तो अभी के जो जनरेशन वाले बच्चे, माय गॉड, 1 मिनट भी बैठ नहीं सकते. देखो सो गया तो अच्छा है, जागा होता तो वाइब्रेशन जा रहा है. देखो पावर ऑफ साइलेंस कितना पावरफुल होता है, तुरंत वाइब्रेशन गया. You can pass it on very soon through power of silence. हमारे वहाँ बहुत ऐसे एक्सपेरिमेंट हुए हैं. एक बार हमारी दादी जानकी, she was about 90 at that time. She lived for 104 years. 90. At the age of 90, scientists have approached and said, we want to test your brain. You are a great yogi, so we want to redo research. So then they did all types of research on her. She had to calculate, she had to talk, she had to sleep, she had to be silent, she had to so many things. She did all that, and surprisingly, all the results were showing delta waves in her brain. Scientists thought a machine gaya kaam se. This again revised the machine and everything and again did it. Again same thing. The brain was having in every action delta waves. Then they labeled her as one of the most stable people in the world. At the age of, अभी जितने हम बूढ़े होते जाते हैं क्या होता है? There is more destruction inside. That is why the younger children are also sending them to old age home, na? They are not able to handle the old people now. But this is happening with every generation. I am just giving you one example in one way. बाकी तो सब generation के साथ यही हाल है. But this is happening. So, how she maintained when she became a watchman of her life? Even if God orders you to do that, now you will not do. It is a question of being a self-ruler, self-controller. The question of really loving yourself, to beautify yourself from within, whether somebody appreciates or not. Are you ready to become so independent that if your neighbor grumbles about you, yet you are so sure that you are doing the right thing? You will not get influenced. Are you ready? Then you have to create that power of silence in you. That is the only method. See, when people go from in spaceships from this world to the space, what happens? No weight and no sound. It's only through science technology that we are able to hear them. Otherwise, no sound and no weight, light. कितना टाइम अभी रही वो अपनी, है ना? कितने समय तक रहे? 8-9 months. They has to come back in 3-4 days, I think. And she stayed back for so many months. Was she disturbed? Because she has this training for a long time. You know, they do the training. They make you stay in that environment down only for a long time training. Otherwise, a person can't stay there for a long time. Everybody cannot do that. Same way, internally also, we have to enhance our power of silence. Just speaking is not a sanskar. Just speaking is not a sanskar. Today, speaking has become the main sanskar. If you are not speaking, people think absurd है कुछ, abnormal है, बोल नहीं रहा है. But our true sanskar is emerging from silence. Now, for example, light. If we switch on the light, there is so much light, no? But if you will observe inside, no, there is only one point from which the light is coming. Itna sa, bindu, from where the light is coming. But it is spreading. So there is so much light. Now if we switch off all the lights, no light, everybody's mindset will change. Immediately. जिसको जैसा बनना है ना बन जाएंगे. Now again you switch on the lights and you focus, it's coming from just one point. Now take this example that even all that I am doing is coming from energy, and that energy is coming from a point. Is it possible? कितना कुछ करते हैं ना हम आज. But all this energy is being channelized, and the source of the energy is coming from a point. So if you go back to the point for a second, that means like a kachua, like a tortoise. When he is working, no, he is bringing out all the limbs. And then when he stops working, he again takes everything inside. Only that shell is there on the top. The shell is the body. Okay, for us, the shell is the body. So, when you are in silence, what happens? You are withdrawing all your senses. Your eyes, your ears, not the nose actually, but the smell and all that. And your speech and your sparsh, everything. You are withdrawing. Now you can go to from where the all energy is coming. So what you will do is, you will go within the body, and from your mind's eye, watch the body inside. Start doing it with open eyes only, because your mind knows how to work. So enable your mind to do that work of going inside the body and then seeing this huge factory from inside. क्या क्या है शरीर में, बाप रे. A big world is there, huge world is there in the body only. Trillions of cells and bones and nerves and blood and muscles and what not. And then all different organs. Beautiful, na? Only the thought of it. If you go to see, you will not like it. But the only thought, oh, beautiful part of nature. No robot can be like this. I mean, that liveliness of everything in the body is like wonderful. Kudrat ka karishma. That is why we are so attached, no, to our body. How many feel we are attached to our body? Raise your hands. Raise your hands, raise your hands. Attached to the body. You're not attached to the body. Nobody can deny. How many times we look at the mirror, nahi? Selfie. That's attachment to the body. Not only that, the way you do your activities now, it shows the attachment to your body. Only if you observe. So you go inside the body and forget everything that is dirty and all inside. But just tell once that I love you, I appreciate you. Because you help me to do everything. I don't have any complaint against you. Even if the pancreas is not working properly, it's okay. I love you, pancreas. Heart is having problem. I love you, heart. No problem, no problem. I appreciate you. Once we can do like that, appreciate the whole body from inside. And through the mind's eye, you can see everything. You can see the nerves, you can see the bones, you can see the muscles, everything. Mind will show you everything. Even if you are not a science student. Mind has great powers. Then now try to visualize something in the body that is not physical, not visible, but it is there and you also agree that it's there. ऐसा क्या है? ऐसा क्या है? हैं? बॉडी में thoughts, okay. Feeling, thoughts. अच्छा, I'm talking about the Panch Tattva body. Don't take yourself so much deep. Huh? Out of the 5 Tattva, which Tattva is not visible but yet you agree 100% it is there? Breath, श्वास, नहीं मिलेगा तो गए. The body will not function. So in physical Panch Tattva also, there is something which is very silent, which is not to be seen, but great power. So not necessarily all visible things only have power. Invisible things also have great power. If somebody thinks that this person should get injured, he should meet with an accident. If the thought is very powerful, he will meet with an accident. And today, these types of thoughts are increasing. People are channelizing their energies to create a bad, wicked thought. Are we living for that? We have forgotten the main characteristics of human life. And we are now misusing everything. So you agree that air is that invisible thing which we cannot live without? The body has to get air? Okay. 100%? No doubt? Now go within your face. Okay? Go there. So you're now seeing your face from inside. So you're able to see how the eyes are connected. You're able to see how the ears are connected. Then you're able to see the brain, how it is cerebrum, all that is there. So you're able to see. Right? But there also there is something that is not visible but is still there. So now let us try going there. So just behind your eyes, in front of your brain, there is a space. And there is a door there. You have to open the door and you will enter a room which is called your personal, absolutely personal room. Nobody other than you can enter this room. Now, enter the room. And you know, nowadays in hotel, what happens? You put the card and you open the door, the lights get switched on immediately. Like that, you open this door and you will see the room full of light. Full of light. Not the light of day and night. It's an energy. The energy form is light. Are you seeing through your mind's eye? Have you entered the room? Now close the door behind you and see what is written on the door. It is written past. So now the door to your past is closed. There is a door on the other side also. Are you seeing through your mind's eye? And that door is already closed. What is written on that door is future. It's closed. So now both the doors to past and future are closed. So now where are you? And what are you? The light. The energy. The source. Can I call this source I? Because whenever we do anything, we say, I spoke, I listened, I saw, I felt, I think, I decide, I realize. Connect this I with this energy of light. The source which is coming from a very, 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 very subtle point, invisible, even more subtle than atom, which is physical in nature yet invisible. I am that. Superior and more powerful than even atom. Where am I? Behind my eyes, in front of the brain, in my personal room, where I am just in the now. And that is silence. Your mind, your intellect, both are here in this moment, in the form of light. No past, no future. This is silence. Now slowly come back and come in the external world. And just see around. See how your organs are working. Who is directing them? Everything else is mine. My eyes, my mouth, my ears, everything is mine. But the one who is doing is I. Until you are not in the consciousness of I, you cannot improve your power of silence. So whenever you want to practice silence, what you will do? Go within, go to your personal room, come into the present moment in form of light, energy, and come to the absolute source of energy, a dot, and just be in that consciousness. The most easiest way to remain silent. Your consciousness will work. If you get habituated, then any time you can come back to that. Any time, even in chaos. And then work from there. Work from that deep power of silence, which is you. My language is silence. My language is not words. Only when I get this vocal box, there are words. So, do you think you all have come with a return ticket or single ticket? Do you think this is a traveling on earth? Our traveling is happening? Do you think things change often? Do you think relationships also change? Roles also change? And many times those who are with us are no more because they have gone forward. So everything is transitory. So how can this earth be our home? This is a traveling destination. So our home is also of silence. So we have to gather knowledge about our home also, our eternal home, which is having natural silence. So when you come back and you do those who have not done the course can do the course, or when you come on Sundays, you can give them that tell us more about our permanent home. We would like to have a subject on that. Try to understand the power of silence more. And there are more additions to the sources of power of silence. But the first source is you. Please raise your hands if you are clear about what you have heard. Okay, thank you. Please raise your hands if you'll try to think after going home on what you have heard. Thank you. And if you feel that silence is a power and you cannot compare it with words, and you want to experiment to live with fewer words, more action, and more of sharing of feelings and emotions and thoughts level, like how our many other members of the organization or our religion establishers, they were also like us only, na? They were from Hindu families, they were from the royal families, and there was chaos in their family also. But they came out only because they wanted to understand what is reality of the world. So they came to know two things. That is power of silence. So they meditated for years. And second, karma. Everybody came with that realization. Some people came with the realization of Allah or Godfather or Ishwar, some word. So what is the importance of that also we don't know. We are just reciting. Maybe that is also connected with the power of silence. If we understand, it will be better, no? But the starting point of power of silence is where? Within. It is me. Within my body, it is me. Then I can relate with it. ये मैं ही हूँ. So how I cannot sit in silence for few minutes also? I am silence. But it needs practice. It needs training. Okay? You have any question to ask, or you would like to understand this further? Those who would like to understand more about this, please raise your hands. Okay. And those who want some other topic or something, you can give to the sisters, and that can be also covered. Okay? Thank you so much. Om Shanti.
Thank you very much, sister, for this wonderful session. So actually, I enjoyed this session and learned a very, good things. So do you want to share any takeaways? And what did you discover today? There is something which I think you discovered today. Yes. Yes. So I think we discovered that we have a personal room. Yes. So we all have that personal room. We can go into that, experience the silence, understand the I, right? The I consciousness. And what else? silence is
More
more
powerful than
powerful than
words.
words. Yes.
You can do lots in silence
Yes.
also with
And
fewer
history
words.
has showed that how silence works,
Yeah,
right?
once no, our Dadi Janki, I told you, no, most stable minded. She had gone to UN to invite the president of UN, Sanyukta Rashtra Sangh, to come to Mount Abu. And see, his sanskar was, I'm very busy, I have so many files, I have so many events, I have so many programs. I don't think so it is possible for me to come to Mount Abu. And then our meditation time came between. We have few timings, 7:30 was one of the timings. 3 minutes we go into silence. And then again start doing our work, whatever we were doing. So we try to withdraw few times in a day. So that time came. So Dadi just requested, if you don't mind, this is our meditation time for 3 minutes. Can we meditate? He said, sure, please do. And then Dadi started. So powerful meditation with that thought that this soul needs peace and he'll come for his peace. And after that 3 minutes, what happened to him? He started saying, maybe, I can try coming. And he came. And this has happened so many times in so many other things also. Keeping calm. Like I went once to a foreign country, which is considered to be very negative, very fearful. And I was told so much about it. But I know, no, I have to work with the power of silence that is being taught to me. I have to practice. I don't have to worry about the consequences. I have to pay attention on my practice. So I went there at the airport. Those who had to come to take me didn't come. So what will happen to us? Butterflies, no, in the stomach, in foreign country. But for me, that was not the experience. I was very patient, very silent, because I've been practicing that power of silence. And then suddenly an officer comes from another flight from Mauritius for his own work. And he comes as if, somebody has given him the signal. He comes and he sees me in a white sari. Are you from the Brahma Kumaris? I said, yes, sir. Okay, somebody's coming to pick you up. I mean, why this concern, suddenly? And then he says, please come. No problem. So that's the last thing. So then he said, okay, come, no?
No, that's okay.
Yeah. So then he said, sister, to sit here for a long time is not very safe for you. Then he thought, because I didn't have a mobile phone at that time, and I really didn't find the need also. Only in cities we feel we want mobile phone. Otherwise, it's not really required. Now, what happened is, he said, I have a mobile phone. Would you like to call? I said, okay, sir. Then I took the phone. I dialed the number and it said invalid. I said, sorry, sir. The number is showing invalid. So, sir, you should go ahead. You must be having your program and all. The people will come who will come to pick me. He said, okay, sister. And he went. Still 10-15 minutes, nobody came. Again he came from far. He was behind the pillar. And he came and he said, no, sister, I can't let you be here. You come with us. Show the address, we'll go there. So, very strange. And I'm going with strangers also. But my practice is to see from inside. See something different. Believe in it. And I went. And there were 3 other gentlemen in the car, and I also sat. They were nice enough to make me sit in front, and behind the 3 gentlemen sat. One from Philippines, one from Japan, all that. Then very far, we went there to the address. And I got down and I just saw, then they said, no center here now. Shifted. So I said, sir, center is not there, it is shifted from here. And then I saw light next door. I said, sir, I think this must be an Indian family. Just let me give it a try. And I went Indian family. And then I asked that gentleman, do you know the Brahma Kumari center where it has been shifted? Oh, it is very far. I don't have the address and number and all. I said, somebody must be there, must be there. Just think deeply. Your friend or someone who must be coming here. Yes, there is one friend. I'll just call him. Then he called him and he got the number. And then I called the sister. And then I said, see, the such and such a thing has happened. Ek second I thought, I should just speak a little louder. Then I again went into silence. I said, no, maybe it is not her fault or my fault. So why unnecessarily waste, no? Then I told her that this has happened. I'm going to their hotel. Now send that people there. I will not go back to the airport. It's very far. Then they came after a long time to the hotel. And when I sat in the car, I did not mention anything about why you were late. We were 3 strangers in the car and we just enjoyed our journey, exchanging, our everything. And then we reached there, and next morning, I didn't notice, but I was just asking the sister there, do you have any programs, because Dadi has sent me. So I have come here for seva only. I'm here for 15 days. I have to do programs. So she said, no, we got your news very late. So we have not made any preparation. I said, okay, I will go and get the programs. So immediately that gentleman who had come last evening, he's telling me, his newly business set up, he's telling me, no sister, I will get programs for you. He got me 2 programs, 3 programs per day for 14 days. This is something from my field, but what is working behind it is the power of silence. If I become fidgety, I become fearful, I become anxious, lost. I have lost the chance of living. We lose chance of living. लाइफ मिली है भाई बहने, बहुत प्रेशियस है. उसको आदतों से, एटीट्यूड से, थॉट्स से, ये सब से बिगाड़ो मत. इसलिए पावर ऑफ साइलेंस इम्पॉर्टेंट. एक्सेप्ट करो उसे. ओके, थैंक यू. ओम शांति.
Om Shanti. Didi told about this situation, and we come across these type of situations a lot, right? Similar, someone doesn't show up, right? So as Didi said, the power of silence helps, and just be calm, be patient, and we don't know what is going on behind the scenes, right? So just trust everything, so we will get the help. So thank you very much. So as Didi said, we have the Dadi Janki's example that she said for 3 minutes of meditation. So this is a ritual of Brahma Kumaris. Whenever we start something, not just the lecture or session, even if you start some of your work or anything, if you start your journey, just sit for 1 minute of silence and give that sakas or vibration, or just prepare yourself, and then everything will be fine. So we will end this session with 1 or 2 minutes of silence, and then we will end.
Your every action will be successful. Your every relationship will be successful. You have to practice silence, and it will happen. See, बहुत स्ट्रगल करने से भी थोड़ा सक्सेस मिलता है. कई बार बहुत मेहनत डालो और इतना सक्सेस नहीं मिलता है. बट पावर ऑफ साइलेंस से जो आप करते हो ना, आप एवरी एक्शन इज अ सक्सेस टू यू. योर ग्रोथ इज अ सक्सेस टू यू. Your development is a success to you. Someone will get some benefit through you. That is your success. Somebody will be happy through you. That is your success. Success is a very, very broad, very high term. हम लोग बहुत ऐसे मामूली ऐसे cheaply use करते हैं success. ये मिले तो ही सक्सेस, ये मिले तो ही सक्सेस। सक्सेस तो एवरी स्टेप पर है। ओके, 2 मिनट। तो सभी बैठ जाएं अपने पर्सनल रूम में, और जो शब्द हो या म्यूजिक हो, बस उसको एनर्जी के रूप में फील करो।
ख्यालों को यूं खूबसूरत करो, ख्यालों को यूं खूबसूरत करो, दिल खुदाई मोहब्बत से भर जाएगा, ख्वाबों को तुम खुशनुमा पाओगे, ख्वाबों को तुम खुशनुमा पाओगे, आसमां से जन्नत उतर आएगा। इन ख्यालों में ऐसी है ताकत भरी, मोम पत्थर को कर दे वो कारीगरी, ये बना दे फरिश्ता ये हूर और परी, क्या गजब की है इनकी भी जादूगरी, इनसे सारे ज़माने की खिदमत करो, इनसे सारे ज़माने की खिदमत करो, खुद दुआओं से दामन संवर जाएगा, ख्यालों